tangles when you're doing a wash and go. I'm just gonna kind of show you what I do when I know my hair is tangled. So I have to be, you have to be a lot more gentle. And then this is what I do to get my hair prepared for wash and go when it is tangled. First thing I already did, y'all already know, pre-poo. So I have my coconut oil, boom, as you can see. I apply this on my hair the night before and let it sit overnight, giving some slip back into my hair because you know it's oil. So you have that slippity slip back into it, which is very much needed. So the coconut oil is enough for me to work some of these tangles out. I'm not doing a deep detangling, of course not, right? But I'm doing enough to get the tangles that I can easily see, I can easily get to. So I will untwist, and then I'm just kind of using my thumbs to work through here. Any shed hairs I'm gonna grab, and when I come across a single strand tangle or whatever, ooh, see, there you go, they're going right there. I stop and I'm working it out. I'm gonna work that sucker out, okay? All right, now we're gonna go back into it. As I'm doing this, you're gonna also see me apply my amla mask. So don't be alarmed when you see some muddy, brown, dookie looking thing, okay? It's amla. And if you don't know about the amla, check my videos out, because I done talked about it. All right, so I have the amla all up through. I'm just applying the little bits I have left. But I do start with detangling with my fingers first and just the coconut oil in my hair. After I'm finished detangling to my satisfaction, I guess you can say. Then after that, I will just hop in the shower and do my wash day routine. That's pretty much what I do to get those tangles to not be worse. Because the last thing I want to do is just go straight into the water without finger detangling. That's the last thing I want to do. I guess I'll say that's the last thing I want to do again. Without getting the tangles out and the shed hair out that I could, the water made it worse. It made my hair tangle up even more. It made it harder for me, basically. So that's why I don't start off with water. I know some of y'all like, she's not going to wet her hair first. I'm not. And that's why I don't also use a conditioner, because conditioner's first ingredient is water. I just start with oil, and that's fine. I'll work with my fingers, get out what I can, hop in the shower, let my shampooing and my deep conditioner do the rest.